Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove, test, and reinstall the center high mount stoplight on this 2023 Toyota Sienna. Before we can test the high mount stoplight, we need to remove it. So it's pretty straightforward. You can grab right here with your hands and just pull back. There are 5 clips here holding it on. And then to disconnect it, you have this little tab right here that you need to press and pop the connector out. It's easier to test it if we remove the actual light from this housing. So you've got these little tabs right here on the side. Just pull it back like this, and then this little light comes out. You can pinch the sides of this clip right here with some needle nose pliers, and then you'll be able to pop the connector out of there, like so. To test it, you need to supply power and ground to those 2 pins inside the connector. So holding it like this with a clip on the right and looking at it from the side, the positive of the battery needs to go on the right, and the negative needs to go on the left. You can use either a spare battery that you might have or the vehicle's battery to do the test, and then you would need some wiring or test leads, and I'm gonna put a few links in the video description for where you can get the tools needed to do this job. I'm using a cut up paper clip in the alligator jaws so I can reach inside there and touch the little pins. Now you have to be very careful, because if you allow these 2 positive and negative wires to touch each other while the other end is connected to the battery, there's going to be a lot of sparks and it's not going to be good. It's going to melt some things. So this is where you have to be very careful and precise, and not allow the 2 to touch each other while you're doing this test. Okay, you can see that the light comes on, so we're good. So in this case, if your center stop light is not working, but this test passed, that means you need to continue diagnosing and find what the issue is, whether it's broken wiring or fuses or connectors that corroded or whatever. But in our case, it's good, so now we can put it back together. Clip the connector back in. And now we can reinstall it in the housing. And make sure that the clips engage. Reconnect the connector, insert it until it clicks, like that. And then line up the little clips and press on them until they're all engaged. And now you can test it by hitting the brake pedal and just making sure that the light comes on still. And there you go. High mount stoplight diagnosis and replacement is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota Sienna maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.